Welcome to the future where artificial intelligence isn't just about robots doing our chores, it's about making money while we sleep. Picture this, a world where passive income is no longer a dream, but a reality, all thanks to AI. Imagine technology working tirelessly, generating income for you even when you're off the clock. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. It's the here and now. Ready to step into the future and let AI do the work? Here are the top 10 passive income ideas using AI technology. First up, we have AI stocks trading. The stock market isn't just for Wall Street anymore. With the power of artificial intelligence, even the most complex market data becomes a piece of cake to analyze. AI can sift through the noise, identify trends, and make informed trading decisions. It's like having your own personal Wall Street trader, without the expensive suit and the Wall Street jargon. So while you're enjoying your morning coffee, AI could be making you money on the stock market. Second on our list is AI content creation. Who said a robot can't be creative? Picture this, an AI tirelessly churning out engaging blog posts, snappy social media updates, and captivating articles. No need for coffee breaks or writer's block. It's a reality today, and it's generating ad revenue while you sleep. You might be thinking, can a robot really write something I'd want to read? Well, you'd be surprised. So keep an open mind, because a robot might be your next favorite blogger. Next we have AI app development. Yes, there's an app for that, and AI can help create it. In this era of digital transformation, AI is stepping up the game in app development. It's not just about programming anymore, it's about creating smart, intuitive apps that understand user behavior. AI can help develop innovative apps, and these apps can generate revenue through user subscriptions or in-app purchases. It's like having a golden goose laying tech eggs. Who knows, the next big app on the market might be created by AI. Fourth on our list is AI tutoring. Education is the key, and AI is unlocking the door. Imagine a world where students get personalized tutoring from an AI. This AI adjusts to the learner's pace, fills knowledge gaps, and even provides real-time feedback. Now imagine earning a passive income from this AI's service fees. You're not just helping a student learn, you're also earning while you snooze. So, while you're sleeping, AI could be teaching someone halfway around the world. Before we wrap things up, let's dive a little deeper into one of these ideas. AI in e-commerce. Shopping has never been this smart or this easy. With AI, your e-commerce platform can predict buying behaviors, personalizing recommendations to each customer, and automating their interactions. This means that while you're relaxing, AI could be selling products for you. This is the beauty of passive income in the AI era. It's like having a personal sales assistant that doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and most importantly, knows exactly what your customers want even before they do. From predicting the next big seller to knowing the perfect time to suggest a product, AI in e-commerce is truly a game changer. Sixth on our list is AI in real estate. Finding your dream home or making a profitable investment is now a breeze, thanks to AI. Just imagine this. While you're enjoying your day, AI could be analyzing market trends, predicting property values, and even matching potential buyers to their dream homes. It's like having a personal real estate agent that works tirelessly and makes the most accurate predictions. So, while you're enjoying your day, AI could be closing a real estate deal for you. Talk about passive income. This is yet another exciting way AI is revolutionizing our lives and our income streams. Seventh on our list is AI in digital marketing. Gone are the days of generic ads. Thanks to AI, personalized ads are now a reality. Just picture this. While you're off the grid, AI could be sifting through mountains of customer data, crafting personalized ads, and optimizing your marketing strategies. It's like having a personal marketing manager that never sleeps, constantly fine-tuning your approach to reach the right audience at the right time. So, while you're offline, AI could be optimizing your marketing strategies and creating revenue. This is yet another way AI is changing the game and providing us with passive income opportunities. Eighth on our list is AI in gaming. Game development has never been this exciting. With AI, we're witnessing the creation of immersive gaming experiences, the design of complex game environments, and the development of intelligent game characters. It's like having a personal game studio that works tirelessly to bring your wildest gaming fantasies to life. So, while you're playing, AI could be developing the next big game and generating passive income for you. This is yet another innovative way AI is revolutionizing industries and creating new passive income streams. Ninth on our list is AI in data analysis. Making sense of complex data is now a piece of cake thanks to AI. It can analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights. These insights can help businesses make informed decisions, optimize operations, and predict future trends. And the best part? It can work around the clock, tirelessly analyzing data and generating passive income for you. So, while you're brainstorming ideas or even sleeping, AI could be analyzing data for you. This is yet another way AI is not only revolutionizing industries but also creating passive income opportunities. Last but not least, we have AI in customer service. In this digital age, customer satisfaction is not just preferred, it's guaranteed. AI automates customer interactions, providing instant responses and tailor-made solutions. It can handle multiple queries simultaneously, ensuring no customer is left waiting. And the best part? It's available 24/7. So while you're interacting with customers or even taking a break, AI could be ensuring their satisfaction. This is another way AI is revolutionizing industries and creating passive income opportunities. Just imagine earning while ensuring customer satisfaction. Now that's a win-win. So there you have it, the top 10 passive income ideas using AI technology. From AI stocks trading to content creation, app development, tutoring and its application in e-commerce, real estate, digital marketing, gaming, data analysis, and customer service. Each idea is a testament to the boundless potential of AI technology in generating passive income. It's a brave new world out there, and it's teeming with opportunities. Remember, the future is now, and AI is here to not just make our lives easier but also richer.